Hello everyone, I Savita, PGT Computer Science from GGSSS Muthalata Sonipat. Today in the series of computer network, our next topic is computer network protocol. So start our next topic, that is a computer network protocol. Now see, what is computer network protocol? Protocol are the set of rules to which two communicating parties must follow while communicating. What is the protocol concept? A network protocol defines the rules and the convention for communication between network devices. Protocols specify interaction between the communicating entities. Protocol has five types. Means TCP/IP protocol, HTTP protocol, FTP, and HTTPS. TCP/IP is the transmission control protocol. Transmission control protocol means it decides how much part of the message is transferred first, then how much part of the message is transferred second. Means it divides the message into segments. And इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल इज द आईपी प्रोटोकॉल. सपोज आपके पास आईपी प्रोटोकॉल www.google.com है, तो वो एक आईपी एड्रेस है गूगल का, तो वो हमारे पास क्या है, इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल. नेक्स्ट इज द हाइपर टेक्स्ट ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल. हाइपर टेक्स्ट ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल बेसिकली fetch the web page from the server. And this file transfer protocol, with the help of file transfer protocol you can access the file from the remote computer. If the FTP is off from the particular computer, then you can't access the file of that computer. Next is the hypertext transfer protocol secure. Secure means the bank website and the Amazon who delivers the product to you, but you have to make the payment online. You have to make the online payment in this. That means they adopt the secure system. Means no one can hack your account detail. So see one by one what is TCP protocol. TCP protocol is the transmission control protocol. Means it provides reliable transport service. It ensures that messages sent from sender to the receiver are properly routed and arrive at the particular destination. It divides the message into segments, and at the receiver side it reassembles the message back into message at the destination. For this, TCP operates with the packet switching technique. Next is Internet protocol. Internet protocol, it allows different computers to communicate. IP handles the dispatch of packet over the network. It handles the addressing of packet and ensures that a packet means any message or any data is called a packet, and ensures that a packet reaches its destination traveling through multiple networks. अब जैसे सपोज आपके पास आपने किसी भी एयरटेल कस्टमर को कॉल किया, आप वो BSNL कस्टमर के, तो एयरटेल आपको BSNL से तो पहले जो कॉल जाएगी वो BSNL सर्वर पे जाएगी. BSNL उसे ट्रांसफर करेगा एयरटेल के सर्वर पर. एयरटेल के सर्वर से वो पर्टिकुलर एयरटेल यूजर पे जाएगी. मीन्स आपने कोई भी मैसेज ट्रांसफर किया वो मल्टीपल नेटवर्क के थ्रू जाता है टू अ डेस्टिनेशन. TCP/IP protocol make it possible for any pair of computer to connect to the internet to communicate despite their hardware difference. Using the computer in which there is a processor of Pentium 4 and someone which you want to communicate have a Pentium 3 processor. That means you have a different hardware configuration. That means even though there is a difference in hardware configuration, you are able to communicate. This is the duty of the TCP/IP protocol, to communicate two computers despite their hardware differences. Next is a file transfer protocol. I already told you about the file transfer protocol. Means if you want to fetch one particular file from the system, from any system, that means there must be a file transfer protocol. Protocol क्या होता है? Protocol आपके पास set of rules हैं between two communicating parties, कि वो कैसे कम्युनिकेट करेंगे, किस रूट से वो जाएंगे, वो सारा सब कुछ किस में डिफाइन होता है, प्रोटोकॉल. आपने कभी सुना हो कि किसी भी कंट्री का PM आया तो मोदी जी ने अपना प्रोटोकॉल तोड़ दिया, वो उसे खुद लेने गए. प्रोटोकॉल मतलब जिस मतलब जिस सीमा में रह के उसे वर्क करना है वो उससे बाहर आ गया, तो वो उसने प्रोटोकॉल को फॉलो नहीं किया। तो ये वर्ड कई बार न्यूज़पेपर में भी आता है कि प्रोटोकॉल तोड़ दिया उन्होंने अपना, उनको रिसीव करने के लिए, तो वो हमारे पास क्या होता है, प्रोटोकॉल्स। नेक्स्ट इज see this diagram. In this diagram there is a server. In this diagram this is a server and this is one client and there is another client. They both want to fetch a file from this folder. That means they want to access this computer files. So there must be a FTP protocol in both these three computers own. Hypertext transfer protocol. Hypertext transfer protocol means suppose you want to fetch one web, you have to make a request, you want to access that web page through HTTP commands. तो आपके पास जो भी कमांड होगी वो HTTP पेज के थ्रू जाएगी कि वो आपका वेब पेज को एक्सेस करना है आपको. HTTP define how messages are formatted and transmitted and what action web server and browsers should take in response to various commands. For example, see this block diagram. See this block diagram. This is a web server. This is a web server and this is a client web browser. It want to access. He want to access something from this web server. That means it pass a request. It pass a request to the server and the response come in return. तो ये आपके पास क्या है, पर्टिकुलर वेब पेज को एक्सेस करना है तो वो उसे HTTP के थ्रू ही उसे एक्सेस करेगा. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन यू एंटर अ URL मीन्स यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर. यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स क्या होता है कि आपको एक संसाधन कह सकते हैं हिंदी में से, कि वो कहीं और लोकेटेड है, आपको उसे एक्सेस करना है, तो आपने HTTP के थ्रू कमांड सेंड की है उस वेब सर्वर पर. नेक्स्ट इज HTTPS. S is here is a for security, कि आपके पास अगर कोई भी बैंक आपसे कोई भी डिटेल पूछता है, अमेजन से आप कोई शॉपिंग करते हो तो वो आप अपनी बैंक अकाउंट की डिटेल डालते हो ऑनलाइन पेमेंट के लिए, ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग के लिए, तो वहां पर जो सिस्टम होना होगा हमारा वो सिक्योर होगा ताकि आपकी वेबसाइट को, ताकि अमेजन की वेबसाइट को कोई हैक ना कर पाए. तो S is for security purpose. HTTP stand for Transfer Protocol over SSL, Secure Socket Layer. It is used by web browser to transfer and display web content securely. मतलब बीच में कोई भी आपकी मैसेज ना कर पाए, कि कोई भी आपकी अकाउंट की डिटेल है वो हैक ना कर पाए. कई बार आपने देखा होगा आप शॉपिंग करते हैं ऑनलाइन, HTTPS used by any website that is collecting sensitive customer information such as banking information or purchasing information. Purchasing information means you have to purchase something online through Amazon, Flipkart, and banking information. Next topic is a hardware component. Means if you want to connect to the computer, if you want to connect to your computer to another computer, that means what are the different hardware components you require? That is a hub, repeaters, bridge, routers, gateway. In the next lecture, we will thoroughly discuss about the hardware component that is required in communication. Thank you. Have a nice day.